karon diri sa bukid, guys.
Bukid
Dagan na.
Oh.
Oh.
Mga pare.
Doon kita ni Jiro ron.
Tangunan ako.
Toro. Kailang maglingit. Kalibang. Balik to balingit, dumugon juga da balingit. Sabaan mo kilo eh. Talawan. Kami karon dres bukid, guys.
Bukid na
Nagjogging-jogging.
Dire man tong kuan na.
Asa?
Ninang ni ayan.
Ayan, andi na ko ninang.
Ayan. Abot ayan.
Di na ko na ninang dia.
Ninang ni ayan. Abot mo kasi. Salem kay gabutan.
Oh, talalido man to.
Langan, ngungan pa na mo kuan tagiya. Dili. Iya tu ba ninang kuan? Ayan ningon ko.
Di ako to ninang eh. Dito na ako ninang. Kami ninang nakagihangom ko ninang.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Pagkaon sa isda. Kani nga dalan guys, paingon ni Oguan Kapitolyo sa Nabunturan. Lusot na dito sa highway. Paingon na dito.
Di ako nahanap sila.
Sa bukid. Kasi kailan na rin ay?
Bukid. Yan, ako kasama.
Sa Jansel Gab. Asa ilang balay dahil?
Ano?
Di ba doon naman nagkuhan diha ay high school? Wala di high school diha.
Ay, pero minambakan mo. Ah, dito din yung sisip. Ano? Susulit ko. Ay, mo.
Ha?
Ano? Gagan sa pag. Ano man? Ano lagi ba rin dito? Ano ba rin mo, no?
Shout out. Shout out Manoy. Alam na. Shout out kang Gabriel.
Alam na.
Sige ito na Ay, gisilian daw. Naula siya.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Ang ginawa gisilian.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Kabitin ka po. Maka kuano stamina. Tapos hindi naman jogging na kaya wala iro na Pwede na no. Kasi mong kuan ba resistance na mo ba? Di ka hanga ko galit.
Yun.
Ina. Pangkuan long last. Wala no, ngarap na sila bulingit ba? Bulingit? Kaya ba mong area di bulingit, bugnoon dyan kaya. Tinggab. Baka madapisan ka dyan, Gab.
Ladagan
Jogging guys, oh. Mura naman og. Hindi ka po yun noon.
Lang yung buhay
Kita
ito.
ito jogging niya, wadi ay. So,
1 hour later.
sulog ba hulingit? Hindi hulingit eh. Is cooking hangin guys. Motor. Gusto taga-bidyan na ni Wate Mas. Iyan kayo na. Bila ko siguro ni Kato dito ba? Babaw. Kaya gulor. Blingit, padaplin blingit. Blingit. Linaw. Apit ang palutam. Pengutan asli ya.
Ano sa connected lang buka pa?
Umot lang. Mukha balo na yan. Bahog itlog.
Sana all.
Oh my God! Wow!